Hi, welcome to Let's Talk Context, American English idioms, phrasal verbs, and expressions. I'm Ethelene. For today's lesson, we're going to talk about the expression neck and neck. What does it mean when someone says that they're neck and neck with someone else? Well, it means that they are very close, they are near. This is an expression that you'll hear many sports announcers use when they're talking about competitors or teams that are very close in winning a game. For example, if it's a track meet and you have two athletes who are running and they're just really close to each other, you can't really tell who's in the lead. 1 minute one person's in the lead, the next minute another person is. So the idea of them being so close that you can't really tell who's winning implies that they are neck and neck. Matt and John have been neck and neck the entire race. You can hear it in almost any sport, really. If you are talking about team sports where the scores are neck and neck, meaning one team scores a point, another team scores another point, and it's just this sort of back and forth happening where the teams just continue to score points with each other. So the score is neck and neck, meaning it's very close. The clock is winding down, they're running out of time, the game is almost over, and it's just like the scores are so close together, we don't know who's going to win. It could result in a tie, but we just don't know yet. So the scores are neck and neck, the players are neck and neck, the competitors are neck and neck. Just be very mindful that as far as structure, it is to be neck and neck. They are neck and neck with each other. The scores are neck and neck. You can also think about in the perfect tense, they have been neck and neck for the last 30 seconds or for the last 3 minutes. Well, that's it for today's lesson. To learn more American English idioms, phrasal verbs, and expressions, hit the subscribe button below. Bye!